Alright, so here we are. Here's the impact bottle adapter on the M3 with the new regulator. So first, you need a flathead screwdriver to take off the cap. Just like so. Oop. And then you've got a new Reg Adjustment Screw. Same idea. It's a 2.5. It's just one O-ring now though. This is the only O-ring that'll cause regulator creep now. So there's that. And then you've got the piston. You get that O-ring right there. So there's your regulator piston. It's the long regulator piston. It's like just like the same as the AMP or the one that was right before the AMP regulator in the impact. So it's that long piston rather than the short piston. And then you got the O-ring. And then there's your washer stack in there with this brass cup that you have to get out. So actually, let me go get a tool real fast to get it out. There you go. Sorry about that. So here's a common dental pick. I've actually rounded off this end to make it smooth. But you can use either side as long as you can get a cup up underneath. So I use the non-modified end to show. So you just get it up underneath the cup. And you pull the cup out. And then you got your washer stack. And you just dump it out on the table. And then the washers. 2 up. And then 2 down. And you get 3 sets of 4. And then you can just take that, take the cup with the rim down, put that in there, take this, flip it over, get that centered, pops right on in, take your O-ring, and shove it back around the groove. It's just a press in, just press it in with your thumb. Flip it back over. Put your reg screw in. Tighten it down all the way. And then tighten the cap back on. I actually prefer to use this right here. Nice and tight. And then make sure that the reg screw is actually bottomed out like tight. And then do 1, 2 full turns. And that'll get you pretty close to 150 or a little bit over 150. And then you're gonna have to put the bottle back on, see where it pressurizes up to. And then you might have to tweak it a little bit from there. But once you get up to 150, it's really sensitive. A quarter turn will send you about 40 bar. So just be very, very sensitive with your turns. Alright, there you go. Let me know if you have any questions.